How to block or report a user on Whatnot. Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering how you may follow the steps in order to do so, you can just go ahead and do that through their profile. So what you can do is if you're on live stream, even if you're not, you can just basically look out for the user's profile, tap on the user's profile, for example, this user right here. And once you head over to their profile, you can look out for the three dot in the top right corner of this screen, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding two options, blocking a user and reporting. So if you like to select block, tap on block. And once you select it, you can confirm it, tap on block. You can read this, what will happen if you block them. Similarly, if you would like to report them, tap on report and you can select a problem report, like what they have done that you want to report them to. So for example, if they are provided inappropriate content, you can select inappropriate content or live emergency. After that, tap on active emergency and you can just go and provide additional detail if you prefer. Once it is provided, you can tap on submit and the report should be provided to WhatsApp uh, service, and they will be looking out for their profile once you report them. So you may follow up this uh, steps in order to block or report a user on Whatnot very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.